I am done with hearing people say, but Ayushi, personal branding doesn't apply to a field like spirituality, relationships, corporate coaching, or stuff like that. But no, it is not the truth. There are a lot of myths which need to be debunked, which is why I'm making today's video to basically help you debunk the myths around personal branding so that you get a clear gist about what is it exactly. Myth 8. Personal branding is just about self promotion. Absolutely not. It is about creating content and making you visible as a thought leader in your industry. It's not just about talking about yourself and your products and your brand, about how you're helping people. No, it's about connecting with the right people, putting you up as a thought leader in your industry. So you become a person who is credible, who has authority, whom people can believe. And that's it. Myth number 7. You need to be a social media guru. Is it? Is it that each person whose content works on Instagram or LinkedIn or anywhere, is he or she a social media guru? No. He or she is able to create the content which resonates with the right people, which hits the right chords, and which resonates with people. Talking about mostly on LinkedIn, it's about creating content which has value, and about Instagram, along with value, if you could attach a kind of emotions or somewhat feelings to it, it works well. So you do not need to be a social media guru, you just need to be knowing what is it that you are providing through your content, putting out the right value, connecting with the right people, and that's it, bridging that gap. Myth number 6. It's a one time effort. Absolutely not. You will have to constantly upgrade your skills, regularly keep a check upon what kind of content is working, and create more of content around that, because you will have to find out a middle ground around what you like to create and how your audience resonates with it. You can't just go on to put out what you like, and you can't also go on to do what your audience likes. You have to find out a middle ground, and it's not a one time effort. You will have to regularly be updated and keep working towards growing. Myth number 5. You need to be perfect. Absolutely not. You need to have that willingness to be able to show up your vulnerabilities, your willingness to learn, how you are able to tackle the setbacks and turn them into stepping stones. So don't be afraid of showing up your personality, your vulnerabilities, and what is it that makes you different from the others. People want to know the real you, they don't want to know the perfect you. Myth number 4. One perfect post and you're done. Absolutely not. Personal branding is a continuous thing where you will have to continuously upskill, enhance your learnings, put it up in the most compelling way possible, connect with the right chords of the people, and yes, just showcase whatever you have. Show up with everything you have or anything you have every particular day. If only one of your posts go viral, no, you don't have to sit and celebrate it. Of course, celebrating small wins is a good thing, but you will also have to keep on observing what is it that's working out and create something of that sort. Myth number 3. It's about faking it till you make it. Absolutely not. Your authenticity is what vibrates with the right audience. People want to know what kind of authority you have, how much authentic you are, what is the vibe that your content creates. Myth number 2. It's about you. While showcasing your skill sets and wins is absolutely important, but personal branding actually thrives upon what value you are adding to your audience. If you can create content which is authentic, which is viable, which is connecting with the right people, that's all that's needed. Myth number 1. It's about just followers and likes. Absolutely not. It's about building a community which genuinely supports and loves you, which is there whenever you want, which will buy whatever you try to sell, which genuinely loves you and your content. That's what the kind of community and loyal followers you want. Even if it is just thousand of followers who genuinely support you, that's all that's needed. You don't need to have a lakhs of following, but none of them actually knowing you or admiring your work. So I think these myths really needed to be debunked, because talking about the digital revolutions taking place, there are a lot of things which are actually being misinterpreted about personal branding, and I don't really want that to be in. Personal branding is here to stay, is here to bring that authentic vibe, to create an impact, and I really like talking about it as much as possible on my end. So these videos won't gonna stop. All that you need to do is to Ask out whatever questions you have in your mind, and I would love to answer those in the comments. In case I'm able to create another videos, or you have any other compelling ideas on which you want me to create content, please feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I would love to answer them. Till then, keep watching Read with Ayushi.